Recovering deleted messages on Shopify can be crucial for maintaining customer relationships and tracking communications. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check the Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Orders or Customers section. Sometimes, messages may still be visible in the order or customer profiles, even if they appear deleted. Step 2. Review email notifications. If you have email notifications set up for messages, check your email inbox for any notifications related to the deleted messages. These emails may contain the content of the messages you are looking for. Step 3. Use third-party apps. Explore third-party apps available in the Shopify App Store that specialize in message recovery or customer communication. Some apps may have features that allow you to retrieve deleted messages. Step 4. Contact Shopify support. If the above steps do not yield results, reach out to Shopify support. Provide them with details about the messages you need to recover, and they may be able to assist you further. Step 5. Implement backup solutions. To prevent future loss of important messages, consider implementing a backup solution. Look for apps or services that regularly back up your Shopify data, including messages, so you can restore them if needed. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering deleted messages on Shopify and ensure better management of your customer communications in the future.